Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iTunes support error when buying apps. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or you are having any support error or iTunes support error when you try to buying any apps, so let's see how can you easily fix that. First of all, you just have to open up your settings. You have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode and then wait for your phone until it's connected to internet. Once you have that, simply go back, go for general, go for the VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you're connected, try to disconnect. And once you have that, simply go back and here first you have to go to your screen time, and from here you have to select the content privacy restrictions. Go for app installation and purchases. Then select app purchases here, and you have to make sure that you have selected allow from here, or you can easily disable all restrictions by toggling off this. Once you have disabled the toggle, it will turn off all the restrictions on your phone. Once you have that, simply go back, or you have to retry, or if you still have the same issues, now what you have to do, you just have to go back, open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple support, and you have to get official support from Apple website. Open the Apple Store support, the first website from here. Then select your device. It might be your iPhone or iPad. I'm going to select my iPhone from here. Then scroll down and look for get support option. Select start now. And from here you have to select the issue which you're having. So just scroll down, tab on more, or here you have to select the issue which you're having, or you can easily describe your issue in your own words. So here you have to enter the issue which you're having. Once you have entered, you will get the official help from the Apple Web Store. So that's how you can easily fix the iTunes support error when buying any apps in any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.